Students, a lot of students who are writing NEET 2021 ask me, sir, how do you know exam is going to happen in June end? How do you know 140 days remaining NEET exam? This question is relevant from two perspectives. One is, it is important that you know exactly when the exam is going to happen. We know that NTA has not announced the date, but according to that, you will pace your studies. You will decide by when to complete the syllabus and then by when to get ready for the final exam. So what I've done is, I'm going to tell you what were the different dates from the time date was announced by NTA in 2019 for NEET 2020, and that will give you an idea why exam cannot happen before June end. And then I will tell you why it is important that we assume that it will happen in June end and not May beginning. These two things I'm going to cover in this video. So first of all, these were the dates for NEET 2020 notification. These were the dates for NEET 2020 notification. Okay. They announced the dates on 2nd December, and then they gave a window of 2nd December to 1st January for submission of the form. After that, they gave a window of 15 January to 30th January to make any corrections if you did something wrong in the form, right? 27 March, they gave date for admit card being available for download. And after that, exam was on 3rd May, right? All of this is around 150 days, these four, right? Now, the thing that happens is, it's not as if they come out with a notification, then they'll tell you, in 10 days, you have to fill the form. There would be absolute chaos, their server will crash, and there would be a lot of problems. So they gave a lot of time for this, right? In fact, in 2019, when notification had come for NEET 2020, they had given 10 extra days for people to fill this form. It's not as if everyone has a laptop, has a phone at his home, reliable internet through which they can go and fill a lot of times. You start filling, your internet goes away, and then the application gets aborted. So they give a lot of time. So that is why we are today at 22nd February. If they have not announced the date till today, if they announce it today, it is at least 4 months. This was 5 months, at least 4 months. And from now, 4 months goes on to June end. And there is one more thing that happens is, the last exam of boards, right, which is biology, that is on 24th May. And generally the rule is, they give 6 weeks after that so that people can prepare after their board exam. So this also takes you to June end, July beginning, right? So this is my logic through which I am saying that you should assume that exam is going to happen in June end. Why it is important? Why this assumption is important? Because you can pace your studies accordingly. This assumption means that even if you finish your syllabus by middle of May, end of May, even 10th of June, that is okay. But you keep doing these three things. You study theory, you practice questions, and then you write mock tests after revision. You study theory, practice questions, write mock tests after revision, and you'll be okay even if you finish your syllabus by 10th June. That is why this assumption is important, that when the NEET exam is going to happen, if the date has not been announced till now, because of these four things that have to happen, it cannot happen before June end. This is my assumption based on which I am telling, though ultimately what NTA will decide, but it doesn't seem like possible because they need to give time to applicants. It's not as if everyone has all the resources and they'll be able to quickly fill the form, and NTA would be able to support this massive amount of 1.6 million, 1.7 million traffic of the student. So this was the logic, students. If you still have any questions, you tell me in the video comment and I'll answer, but this is what I'm telling you. If you want to believe us on neetprep.com, we are saying assume that exam is going to happen in June end and prepare accordingly. Don't rush your preparation. Prepare peacefully. There is still a lot of time remaining in 2021. All right, students.